Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at the best free temporary email generator. And for me, the best free temporary email generator is emailondeck.com. I've tried many, but this one is honestly the best one I found. And this video is not sponsored whatsoever. It's just that it is the easiest I found. So let's have a look. Of course, the link will be in the description, so you don't have to look for anything. Everything is made for you to be easy on this channel. Now, if you like this channel and you like free tools and free advice, just don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's have a look at how this works. It's very simple. In 2 clicks, you can have it. So you go on emailondeck.com, you arrive here, you just have to click on I am a human and do the little quiz that they give you. So let's say, okay, all the ducks. Okay, next. And up, all the ducks. I think that's it. You verify and then you click on get email. And that's it. Here you can find your temporary email for you to use. And every time you receive an email on this temporary email, it will appear right here. So it's very, very, very simple for you. It's completely free and it's only 2 clicks to get exactly what you want.